So here's an adventure at the Autocross, doing some kick-ass times in the DeVille. Broke down on track, car just started coasting, no power, coasted to a stop, had to get pushed off the track. It turns out rotate this camera, the axle, come on, focus. The axle came out of the cup here. I think under full loading of the suspension and full cornering, it was just too much, something flexed, the engine mounts maybe, it flexed away, that axle popped out, that part of the transmission was just spinning, and nothing going on, couldn't put the power down, so we were coasting. I got pushed off the track, kind of parked, made some pleas for help on Facebook. My friend James is on his way with a trailer. Turns out maybe we just get to go out and have dinner and a beer, and life goes on. My new friend AJ over here with the clips loaned me his jack and his expertise, and we were able to take off the top strut bolts and flex the suspension away from the car enough to get that axle to pop back in. I'm now going to put some fresh grease in there, put that boot in place, and then put the wheel back on. And you know, by golly, if it's not going to run under its own power again. So this is a good thing. So some adventure, not too catastrophic, and you know, probably not really going to delay us too much. So pretty happy guy. Talk to you soon.